What's up, Uber drivers? How's it going? Do you like less pay, more fees? You've come to the right place. No, I'm just kidding. Uber CEO, this shocked me. He wants to cut rates for drivers. This shocked me because gas prices have not gone down. And honestly, they seem to continue to rise. I just realized my car, I hope I can even make it to the gas station because I couldn't find a cheap gas station on my way home yesterday and I'm like on empty. Anyways, we're gonna get into the details about what Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi is planning to do with driver pay, and a lot of people aren't talking about this, so I am, okay? I'm sorry, but this is the truth, the ugly truth. You can't handle the truth. You can't handle it. Oh God. No, I'm just kidding. You guys can't handle the truth, that's why you're here. Before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company, they just got bought out by T-Mobile, so they have tons of money, they're paying drivers tons of money. All you gotta do is put this on the back of your headrest, you start racking up tons of money. And you can, use this to help pay for your car payment or pay for gas. But yeah, the passengers play these little games. They play games to win cash prizes, and you as a driver can make money up to $100 extra per month, plus tips, plus better ratings. Check it out, link below, use our code, blah, 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 blah. Let's get started. So Uber CEO has just announced that they are ending the program that added a fuel surcharge to help drivers offset the cost of gas on their rides. So if you don't know anything, Joe Biden just announced that he plans for the US to send $800 million more to Ukraine. Yes, this is new news. Oh, you thought he already sent enough money to Ukraine? Nope. On July 1st, well, I think it was announced on June 30th, but he just announced, listen to this, Joe Biden, $800 million to Ukraine. U.S. to announce $800 million for more weapons aid to Ukraine. U.S. President Joe Biden on Thursday said Washington will announce $800 million of additional weapons aid to Ukraine in the coming days. We're going to support Ukraine as long as it takes. Bro, this could be forever. Biden said at a press conference on the sidelines of the NATO summit in Madrid, Spain. So why do I talk about this? Well, because a lot of people are saying, oh yeah, blah, 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 it's Putin's fault. And that's why the prices are rising. It's because inflation is rising. And it's because of things like this that's going to literally make us broke. Because the value of the US, they got to print, the money's got to come from somewhere. They got to either print the money, which causes inflation, because there's more supply. So it means the value of the US dollar goes down. That's how it works. And then number two, you got to raise taxes. So more money, more taxes, and higher inflation. Love that, bro. And the thing is, Uber, they haven't raised rates for drivers even though inflation's gone up. Look at all the other companies. They're raising people's salaries because obviously it costs more money to rent a house right now, to buy a house. Prices in real estate have gone up 30% in the past year, pretty much across the nation. Yeah, it's a little slow right now, but you try to buy a house a year or two ago, and $1 million house now is worth $1.5 million, maybe $2 million. What else? Price of food has gone up, everything's gone up. And Uber, they haven't raised their rates. Literally meaning that they're slashing their rates. That's not what the video is about. This video is about how Uber is ending their gas surcharge program for Uber Eats drivers. Okay, we're talking about delivery drivers. But I think, it's probably going to come to rideshare drivers as well. This is really important though, because a lot of drivers also do Uber Eats. A lot of times doesn't make sense just to do Uber. You turn on the notification, the thing to get the delivery thing. You get Uber normal rides, Uber delivery rides. You're not getting the fuel surcharge on delivery rides. So what are you going to stick to rides only? And you don't get those nonstop. So it's like, anyways, it is really freaking making me mad, but I wanted to make this video. There's so many problems with the US economy right now. It's alarming. And the fact that Biden's just like, yeah, let's Let's send $800 million to Ukraine. Meanwhile, so many Americans can't even afford to pay for groceries. Okay, I went to Ralph's the other day. $18 for 2.5 pounds of frozen chicken, the cheap stuff. I'm like, since when did frozen chicken all of a sudden become $8? I mean, that's not even including tax. When did, I believe there's tax on food, right? Or did they get rid of that? Anyways, since when did frozen chicken, cheap frozen chicken cost $8 a pound? $8 a pound a few years ago, that's what you would pay for high-end meat. Now the cheap, like, I don't know how people are affording to eat right now. Like, I try to buy a frozen burrito, you know, one of those little frozen burritos, $3.50. Again, not including tax. And I'm like, bro, $4 for, like, it's not even a meal. Like, it's crazy. And everything's rising. It's like Uber needs to raise rates for drivers to help drivers afford to be able to live right now and pay for stuff that's going up in price. Does that make sense? Anyways, want to make this video rant over. I'm sorry, but if you want to make some more money, you can sign up for Play Octopus. They are helping drivers make more money in this time of need. So check out Play Octopus. All you gotta do is put a tablet. It's super easy. You can set it up in a minute or two. It just has a little strap you put on. I'm gonna do a whole unboxing video. That's why I haven't opened it yet. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. You guys are great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.